Yeah, what's up guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be using the trade we took yesterday in the Telegram group to share with you or give you more insight about this setup. So remember, if you want to join the Telegram group, it's completely free. The link is in the description of this video. So also, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please smash that red subscribe button for me. Don't forget to leave a comment or ask your question in the comment section, and that will definitely do justice to your question. All right, so this is step index 200, and I actually dropped this signal also in the Telegram group. Let me also share with you. So if you look here, this is the time I dropped this signal right here. So you can see the setup actually matured in the morning, early hours where we are still sleeping. This is around 1 a.m. I can't take this trade. This is the major entry. All right, so but when I woke up in the morning, I still see that we can actually, you know, scale in trade and continue with the move. So if you look right here, I was expecting the price to retrace back into this supply zone, then we sell more. So even if you miss your entry, which is the where you have your breaker block, if you miss your entry, you can actually take, you know, add more entries or scaling entries when you see a supply zone. If you are selling, demand zone if you are buying. You also look for fair value gap, maybe an order block, okay, to continue maybe scaling, add up trade or scaling trade or scalp, anyone. All right, so this is exactly what I was expecting yesterday. I told them the price is going to retrace back to this demand zone, then we sell. You can see the test right here, scaling entry on step index 200 if the price retraces back to the above zone, right? And
a few moments later,
also the price did exactly what I've told them. The price traced back to the zone, and we started selling from here. All right, so if you look closely, we started making some money. The price started pushing towards the downside. Okay, price started pushing, then at a point the price pushed aggressively to this particular zone. All right, this is the zone. I will still share more about this trade. All right, I will still share more about this trade, but let's go back to the chart and understand better, because why I'm creating this is that most of us who find it difficult to, you know, understand how simple this strategy is can actually learn. So if you look right here, first you know what you need to do. Identify the time frame that is moving the trend, and we are using 30 minutes because we can clearly see the swing highs, the break of structures, swing lows, and all that, right? So when you look at what the price is doing on 30 minutes time frame, you cannot deny the fact that the price is trending up, and you can easily plot in your trend line. Okay, so break of structure, plot in your trend line, wait for the price to break the current structure and also the previous structure. All right, so the price should break structure of the current trend and also the structure of the previous trend. So if you look at what the price is doing after break of structure, we have retracement. The price will break structure, retrace, break structure. So at this point you have the last structure, okay, before the reversal that we are kind of expected. Sorry. Then if you look right here, that's the structure. In the process of coming down to break this, take out this previous structure, the price created a high, which you can see right here. So when the price created this high, it decided to push all the way to the downside and take out this low. So this low becomes the low of the current trend, okay, of the current trend. So the price take out this low, which we have spoken about this a lot in this channel. So when the price take out this low, you are now expecting or waiting for the price to break the previous structure, okay, the previous trend structure. So you have to patiently wait for the price to break. In the process of breaking this previous trend structure, the price also, you know, take out the trend line liquidity right here. So the price also take out the trend line liquidity. So when the price do this, all right, so we have everything in check. We are just going to be waiting for the price to break structure, then we look for our breaker block, which you have right here. Okay, so you know, mark out your line, your zone, and you can see after the price break or take out this structure, the price started to push all the way back to our zone. The most important thing is that the price have to sweep liquidity in the process of mitigating that zone. So that's exactly what many people call inducements and all that. So now when the price push into this zone, this is exactly where you're supposed to start taking entry. But if you look at the time here, this is like 12:30, 1 a.m. in the morning. So there's no way I will be up to take this trade. So when I woke up, you can see right here, the price pushed all the way to this level, decided to push up. So I saw this right around here, okay? And I have to, the price is current, when I saw it, I saw the price around this zone. So I have to drop the signal, and we have to wait for the price to come back to this zone, right? So once the price comes back to this zone, we are taking our entry. As simple as that, right? So, and price did come back and push from here to the downside. Remember, I identified this on 30 minutes time frame, so I have to go to 5 minutes time frame for my entry. So on 5 minutes time frame, I'm simply going to be waiting for any reversal pattern. So, and if you look right here, now the price retraced back to this particular supply zone, then I have to make my entry there. So when the price gets to supply zone, you won't be waiting for price to give you another double top. No, you don't have to wait for that. You can simply wait for the price to break a trend line, which something like this. You can wait for price to break trend line. You can look for a very healthy bearish engulfing candle like here, which is what I use for the entry. So you look for a very bearish a healthy bearish candle. Then in this case, you are likely not going to be setting your stop very close to like the how you make your major entry, because this is supposed to be like the stop based on our major entry. But because this is not the major entry, this is just you scaling in trade. Maybe you missed the first entry and you want to make another entry, or you already in this trade but you want to scale in trade. Your stop shouldn't be so close, because the price, this is not the major entry. You should know why I'm saying this. All right, so at this point you have to look for the current highs. Okay, so this is one of the highs, okay, that we have, and this is the second high. Now in this case, I don't really like placing my stop at the current high, because the price can still come there, take it as liquidity before pushing to the downside, and that's the reason why my stop loss was here. Okay, if you look, the one I dropped in the group, that's still where I placed my stop. Okay, this is above here, above this swing, that's where I placed my stop. Okay, so that's basically it. Okay, so now I was targeting this is our target. All right, this is our target somewhere here. So and the price push all the way to maybe give us like more than 50% of our target. Okay, then before retracing back, then before now I've already updated the group. Okay, telling them to, if you look from here, from this point at the price, almost you can see where the price was at this point. That was the time I asked everybody to, we can break even and hold to the final TP, or take partials. So either you break even and hold, all right, or you take partials. So now after that, the price also moved aggressively. You can see how close we are to our TP. The price is almost at the TP level at this point, but unfortunately the price after that, you can see what the price does next. It traces back and boom, hit us out at break. For me, I break even this trade and just closed few positions, because I actually made entry multiple positions. Okay, so that's what happened with this trade. So not all the trade is definitely going to hit your TP. Some of them might not even move at all and hit your stop. It's possible, but this particular setup is not giving you anything less than 80 to 85% win rate. sure, just I want you to do your work, do your homework, backtest this strategy, and come back to the comment section, drop your testimony or drop your criticism. Anyone, drop anything at all in the comment section about this strategy. So guys, that's that for our trade yesterday. I hope this is helpful. Don't forget to like this video. If you are new to my channel, subscribe. Then there's a link in the description of this video if you want to access step index, volatility, boom and crash, and all that. Okay, click the link to register with the broker, then you'll be able to access all these instruments. So guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now guys, enjoy.